from the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
So to further demonstrate how this chain cuts through a music bed so well, I'm going to run some tracks and then just cut over it. So what we have here is just some free YouTube music, some stuff. All right. So again, this is like the thing that you'd use in a hardware ad, Power drills, on sale, this week only. All right, so you can cut through this bed, and this bed sounds pretty hot actually here. I can even boost it. Power drills, on sale, this month only. Get the best deals all month long at Power Drill World. So yeah, but if I start taking stuff out of it, I can really kill that. Look, let me just really crank it up. This month only, get 10% off everything in stock. Right? Bed wouldn't be that hot unless somebody didn't know how to mix, but that usually, that's not unusual. So here, let's take everything out. All right, this is just the microphone. So if you just plug the microphone into the, and I'm already redlining here, so I got to cut that back a little bit. Power drills, on sale, this month only, right? Doesn't work at all. Sounds like crap. All right, here we go. Neve 88 RS sounds a little bit better. Power drills on sale, this month only. Get 10% off all month long. All right, does this help a little bit? It does, not much. Now here we're starting to feel a little bit of a difference. And I mean feel it, like you can feel the voice actually cutting through a little bit more. But it's still not there. And now we're starting to get a little bit more. But it feels a little bit thin. It feels a little unfinished. Power drills, on sale, all month long, this month only. And here's the finishing touch. Get 10% off all month long, this month only. So when you're doing voiceover like this, what you ultimately want is you want to cut through the music bed and still feel like your voice sounds full. Like you want it to have all the power and nuance and tone that you put into it. So this is why I use this chain. I mean, after about 4,500 commercials, you'll learn a thing or two. So this is why I do what I do. Each step adds just a little bit more to cut through, help the clarity. And that's what I want. I want overall clarity over the music bed so that you can hear my voice in full tone. So, this month only. All right, what do you think? Leave a comment. Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.